Hello subscribers! Yesterday I created a small utility application that could be useful for all you animators or motion graphic designers out there who deals day in and out with huge image sequences. Recently, I have had to deal with a number of pretty sizable image sequences, and once again I encountered a problem that is all too common. Broken image sequences, where the frames that are supposed to be there are not. And it's not just in one place. Sometimes it's all over the place. At the end of the day, you need to string all the frame file name numbers up again so that they are continuous. This is an extremely laborious task when you have to do it by hand. Well, say goodbye to those days with this image resequencer. Here's how to use it. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will limit it to a sequence of 5 images, though as we all know, it will be numbered in the thousands in real life. As you can see, the sequence is completely broken. The extent of the damage is exaggerated here just to get the point through. This is how you enter the data into the program. Once you're done entering the data, select the folder containing the image sequences and execute the program. This will be the resulting output. I wish I had this program a long time ago, but for the longest time I was too lazy to program it. And I would have no idea how to go about searching for a program that does this, as it is very specific to this one task. Hopefully it will serve you well too. Please support me in Patreon if you feel like it. This is Bracejack signing off, and I will see you next week.